Today, I'm going to show you how to change the sheet size and the title block in EasyEDA. There are three main ways to do it, and you can just pick whichever works best for you. First, let's look at changing the sheet size directly. Just click on the sheet, and you'll see the Properties panel pop up on the right. Find the option called Sheet Size. Right now, mine's set to A4. So I'll change it to A1 and click OK. And that's it, the size changes right away. Next, let's talk about adding the frame and details. If you want to change things in the bottom left or bottom right corner, or even the whole border, click the little pencil icon to go into edit mode. You'll get a message saying the change will be applied to the current sheet and can't be undone. Once you confirm, you can edit correctly directly. For example, you can add your company name. Something like this, the project name, the date, and the page number are filled in automatically, so you can change them here. If you need to change those, you'll have to rename the project or create a new one. Everything else, you can customize however you like. The third way is to use a template to create a new border. Go to Join Border, pick a new sheet size, say from A1 to A4, and then generate the border. You can also switch to A2, A3, whatever you need. Then go into Setting and find Title block. Here, you can set up a template with your company name and any other fixed info you want. Once you get it ready, it will be applied to a new project automatically, not the one you are working on right now. That way, every time you start a new project, the template is already there and you don't have to set it up again. So to wrap up, changing properties is the quick way to resize your current sheet. Adding with the pencil lets you change details in the current border, and using a template is perfect for setting a standard size and layout for all your future projects. With these three options, you can pretty much handle any sheet changes you need.